Hey there, welcome to Homely Feast by Dolly. Hope you all are doing good and getting the best out of life. Guess what's cooking today? Well, let me give you a sneak peek. Seeing the visuals, you might have guessed it's prawns, but it is not prawns fry or prawns curry. Let's cook prawns pulao today. This will be a one pot prawns pulao recipe which I will be making in a pressure cooker. For marination of the prawns, I'll require the following ingredients: lime juice, salt, turmeric, black pepper. Don't skip to add lime juice because it enhances the flavor of your dish. Then keep it aside. I'm tossing it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. The other ingredients that goes into this dish are cooking oil, bay leaf, dried chili, cinnamon stick, cardamom. I have added all the listed spices. Now it's time to roast till you can smell the aroma. Into this goes 2 big onions sliced. Keep stirring till it turns translucent. Now I've put in some ginger garlic paste. Roast it well till the rawness goes away. To make this extra spicy, I have added 2 green chilies. You may add 1 or even completely avoid it as per your taste. Here goes a handful of chopped coriander, 3-4 garlic cloves, and then add turmeric and chili powder. Here I'm using Kashmiri chili powder to get the color. Then goes the sliced tomatoes. Here you can see the oil has separated. Now it's a good sign that it's time for the marinated prawns to go into the pressure cooker. Adding 1 glass of basmati rice which is thoroughly rinsed, 2 glass of water, half a lemon, salt as per taste. Time to close the lid and wait for 1 whistle. And tada! It is ready! Looking at the texture, smelling the aroma, I can say it's very pleasing to my eyes. Here I can say happiness is homemade. I have garnished it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. I just can't wait to dig in. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video as much I did making it. If yes, please like, share, comment and subscribe and support this newbie.